Welcome guys, I'm back from vacation. That means we're shooting again. So today I want to take you behind the scenes from my testing of my new favorite setup, which is the black box setup. So today we're doing a portrait session for a singer slash dancer who's producing a live show, and she asked me to take her portraits for her. She helped me previously with another shoot, so here we are collaborating again. So also I'm putting to the test my black box setup, which is really super simple. It's two V flats turned upside down, so I have the black side on one side. If you look at behind this, there's a white side that usually used to reflect light, or maybe create a negative flag or a black flag next to your models. I like the setup because it's pretty simple, it's quick, I can move it around if I don't like it. It's easy to fix in Photoshop, and also it has texture. Since I didn't want to paint a new canvas, a completely black one, as I did previously in my other videos, I simply use this as a quick setup to get everything done and shoot whatever I want. Also, it gives me the flexibility of shooting at other angles. So let's say I want to shoot maybe at a 45-degree angle, so not camera straight on, but on the sides. I can do that because I have flaps here that protects my subject from the sides. So I hope you appreciate this. I'll be giving my commentary also on the video while I'll be watching behind the scenes and showing some samples of the photos at the same time. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Subscribe, like, do whatever you need to do in 2018, and thanks again for watching. Cheers and good luck.
Let me entertain you.
So in this part, I just realized that I forgot my SD card, and with the new Nikon announcement for the Z6 and the Z7 that there's only one SD card, well, it's become a rare resource, so don't forget your card. It really doesn't make sense. So we're doing some warm-up shots now. So what we're doing is I'm saying to the model, look, I'm still testing my light. I'm warming up, so don't pose, don't do anything too crazy. Just get into the mood, get into the character, because right now the performer, or the subject right now, is a cabaret-ish performer and dancer. So I told her just get into the mood, get into the pose that you want to see, visualize what you want to do, and we'll start taking some photos. So as you can see, we have a few results here of the photos. I'm currently using almost strictly Pulse Buff stuff, not because it's anything special, but they're very reliable studio lights. And to assist, I'm using my Godox 8600 to trigger also another light, because she wanted a bit more fill on the right. So at a certain point, you'll see me wiggling my arm like I just did. It's really to make the subject more relaxed. I really want performance now out of my subject. I don't want them to be just pretty people, but to be pretty or doing whatever they can, and also functional at the same time, or performing. So it's important for me to give them tips and give them feedback on whatever I'm seeing. So I'm showing a lot of photos. Some people discourage it because it's discouraging to them to see the photos, but I really do, because I'm okay. And as you can see, also I'm taking some close-up shots with a 15mm, just some different angles. So this is the power really of that black box setup, is I can really move at angles. I don't have to ask the subject or change my lights to do anything. I just continue with the same setup in order to get some different angles and some cool stuff, while I ask the model look straight, and then I'm gonna shoot at an angle here. So right now we're doing the second setup, which is more of a lingerie type-ish of outfit. You see also I'm also guiding the subject here because I have some poses in mind. I always try to give ideas. It's a free exchanging of ideas here, so it's not really like her concept or my concept, or really exchanging stuff. And I'm trying to get into doing something that really takes the advantage of her legs, and also of the very dramatic light, as you can see here. And again, the advantage of the black box is that you can shoot really wide, and also I use one canvas, a very large one, to use also as a negative fill on the floor, just to create that extra mood. So hope you like it. So we started with some very regular poses. As you can see, I will probably be moving on the floor pretty soon. I'm reviewing what I'm doing and I'm not liking it. as of now, you'll see me. I'll be moving on the floor. The reason why I do this, as you may know from my other behind the scenes, is I really like the effect of the wider angle lens plus a low end or low profile shot. It really makes the subject really grow taller. It makes him more impressive, more stronger. I'm not sure if it's scientific. It's just a personal feeling that I have. Every time I look at those shots, I feel like, wow, okay, that subject is really popping out and is really present. So I really like those things. And if you couple that with some really dramatic posing, so you try to work the triangles and try to work the angles, well, it gives great photos usually. So I really like that set. And I did approximately the same thing using the prop of the set, which is a simple mic, a vintage mic. Apparently, it costs like 500 bucks. To also prop up, create some triangles here, create some dramatic angles at a very low angle. You usually try to shoot right below the face, as you can see here, like almost at the chest line, so we can see the subject in its full glory, and also at a advantageous position. So I'm gonna present the final shots here. I hope you like them. Again, if you like it, please give me a like. If you don't like them, let me know why. And then I hope you enjoy the set. Cheers, thank you, and good luck.